Hey everyone, you're ABxus. Today I'll show you how to find and delete hidden large files on Windows and free up gigabytes of storage instantly. If your PC keeps showing low storage, running slow, or lagging while opening apps, this method will help you fix all of that in just a few minutes. These steps are simple, safe, and work on both Windows 10 and Windows 11. So let's get started. First, open Settings, go to System, then Storage.
Here you'll see everything that's taking space on your PC.
Click on Temporary Files and delete everything you don't need. This alone can clean several gigabytes. Go back, scroll down, and open the Other section. This is where Windows hides big files like old downloads and unused installers.
Go to Browser and search Windows Directory Statistics. Go to Download option and download as per your system specification.
Open Windows Directory Statistics app.
Select Drive, or you can choose All Drive or particular folder also. Here you can see All folder, and you can expand folder and see unwanted file and folder and delete it.
Windows Directory Statistics is a free Windows tool that helps you easily find which files and folders are taking the most space on your PC. When you scan your drive, it shows all your files in a colorful block chart. Bigger blocks mean bigger files. This makes it very simple to spot large videos, old installers, hidden cache files, or anything you don't need anymore. It also shows a list of folders on the left side and tells you exactly how much space each one is using. With WinDirStat, you can quickly clean your storage, delete unnecessary files, and free up a lot of space without searching manually.
Thanks for watching the video. Hope you liked the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe.